Nigeria, a country located on the west coast of Africa, is known for its vibrant culture, warm hospitality, and of course, its delicious cuisine. Nigerian food is a celebration of flavor, color, and aroma, reflecting the country's rich agricultural diversity and cultural heritage. From savory stews to spicy grilled meats, Nigerian cuisine offers a unique and unforgettable culinary experience. One of the first things that strikes you about Nigerian food is the sheer variety of ingredients used. From fragrant spices like ginger and turmeric to hearty staples like yams and plantains, every ingredient plays a crucial role in creating the complex and satisfying flavors that Nigerian food is known for. Palm oil, a reddish-orange oil derived from the fruit of the oil palm tree, is another key ingredient that lends a unique richness and depth to many Nigerian dishes. Whether you're a seasoned food enthusiast or simply curious to explore new culinary horizons, Nigerian food is an adventure for the senses. So come along as we delve into the heart of Nigerian cuisine, exploring its iconic dishes, vibrant street food scene, and the cultural significance of food in Nigerian society. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover the magic of Nigerian flavors. While Jollof rice, a flavorful rice dish cooked in a tomato-based sauce, often takes center stage in discussions about Nigerian food, it is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the country's culinary treasures. Nigeria boasts a diverse array of traditional dishes, each representing the unique culinary traditions of its various ethnic groups. In the south, you'll find dishes like egusi soup, a rich and savory stew made with ground melon seeds and leafy greens, often served with pounded yam. Another southern favorite is ogbono soup, a soup thickened with ground ogbono seeds, known for its slightly slimy texture and nutty flavor. This soup is typically enjoyed with fufu, a dough-like food made from starchy root vegetables. Moving north, you'll encounter dishes like tuwo shinkafa, a soft porridge-like dish made from rice flour, often served with a variety of soups and stews. Another northern Nigerian staple is miyan taushe, a flavorful pumpkin soup made with a blend of spices and often served with tuwo shinkafa or rice. These dishes highlight the culinary diversity of Nigeria, where each region offers a unique and flavorful experience. No exploration of Nigerian food would be complete without venturing into the vibrant world of street food. From bustling markets to street corners, the aroma of grilling meats and frying snacks fills the air, beckoning passers-by to indulge in the irresistible flavors of Nigerian street food. Street food in Nigeria is not just about grabbing a quick bite. It's an integral part of the culture, a place where people from all walks of life come together to socialize, share stories, and savor the simple pleasures of good food. One of the most iconic Nigerian street foods is suya, thin slices of grilled beef marinated in a blend of spices, often including ginger, garlic, and peanut powder. The meat is skewered and grilled to perfection over hot coals, creating a smoky aroma that is simply irresistible. Another popular street food is akara, a deep-fried bean cake made from peeled black-eyed peas, onions, and spices. These crispy fritters are often enjoyed as a breakfast treat or an afternoon snack. Whether you're craving something savory, sweet, or spicy, Nigerian street food has something to offer everyone. It's a true reflection of the country's vibrant culture, where food is not just sustenance but a celebration of life, community, and the simple joys of good taste. No exploration of Nigerian street food would be complete without a closer look at suya, a true icon of Nigerian cuisine. This smoky, spicy delicacy holds a special place in the hearts and stomachs of Nigerians, and for good reason. Imagine thin slices of beef, carefully marinated in a blend of aromatic spices, including ginger, garlic, chili pepper, and ground peanuts. The meat is then threaded onto skewers and grilled to perfection over hot coals, creating a symphony of aromas that wafts through the air, beckoning hungry passers-by. As the meat cooks, it takes on a beautiful char, adding another layer of flavor to the already tantalizing dish. The result is a tender, juicy, and incredibly flavorful explosion of taste that will leave you wanting more. Suya is typically served with sliced onions, tomatoes, and sometimes a sprinkle of additional spice mix, known as yaji, for those who like an extra kick. Whether enjoyed as a quick snack, a late-night treat, or even a main meal, suya is a testament to the simple yet utterly delicious flavors that make Nigerian cuisine so special. It's a dish that brings people together, sparks conversations, and leaves a lasting impression on all who have the pleasure of tasting it. Section 5. Puff Puff, Golden Bites of Happiness. While suya satisfies savory cravings, Puff Puff reigns supreme in the realm of sweet Nigerian street food. These golden brown, bite-sized balls of dough are a beloved treat across Nigeria, enjoyed by people of all ages. Made from a simple batter of flour, sugar, yeast, and sometimes nutmeg or vanilla for added flavor, puff puff are deep-fried to crispy perfection, creating an irresistible contrast between their slightly crunchy exterior and soft, airy interior. As they fry, the dough puffs up beautifully, transforming into golden brown balls of happiness. The aroma of frying puff puff is enough to entice anyone passing by, and the taste is even more delightful. They have a subtle sweetness that is not overpowering, making them a perfect snack or dessert. Puff puff are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed on their own, dusted with powdered sugar, or dipped in a variety of sauces, such as chocolate sauce, fruit syrup, or even a simple sugar glaze. No matter how you choose to savor them, puff puff are a guaranteed crowd pleaser and a true testament to the simple joys of Nigerian cuisine. Section 6. Food, Family and Celebration, the heart of Nigerian culture. Food plays a central role in Nigerian culture, extending far beyond mere sustenance. It is the tie that binds families and communities together, a symbol of hospitality, generosity, and celebration. In Nigerian homes, meals are rarely a solitary affair. They are a time for families to gather, share stories, laughter, and of course, delicious food. The act of cooking and sharing food is an expression of love, care, and connection. From everyday meals to special occasions, food is always at the heart of Nigerian gatherings. Weddings, birthdays, naming ceremonies, and religious holidays are all celebrated with an abundance of food, symbolizing joy, prosperity, and community. Guests are welcomed with open arms and treated to a feast of traditional dishes, each prepared with love and care. The sharing of food is a way of strengthening bonds, expressing gratitude, and creating lasting memories. It is a reminder that even in the busiest of lives, taking the time to connect with loved ones over a delicious meal is an essential part of what makes life meaningful. Section 7. A tapestry of flavors, the diversity of Nigerian cuisine. One of the most fascinating aspects of Nigerian cuisine is its incredible diversity. With over 250 ethnic groups in Nigeria, each with its own unique culinary traditions and specialties, the country's food landscape is a vibrant tapestry of flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques. From the spicy seafood dishes of the coastal regions to the hearty stews and soups of the north, Nigerian cuisine offers a culinary adventure for every palate. The use of spices, herbs, and other aromatics varies significantly across regions, resulting in a wide range of flavor profiles, from mild and savory to fiery and bold. Exploring the regional variations in Nigerian cuisine is like embarking on a gastronomic journey across the country. Each dish tells a story, reflecting the history, culture, and resourcefulness of the people who created it. Section 8. More than just a meal. Food as a symbol of identity. In Nigeria, food is more than just a means of sustenance. It is a powerful symbol of identity, heritage, and cultural pride. The dishes passed down through generations are not merely recipes, but a tangible link to the past, connecting present generations to their ancestors and cultural roots. Food serves as a way to preserve traditions, share stories, and keep cultural heritage alive in the face of modernization and globalization. For many Nigerians living abroad, food becomes even more significant as a way to stay connected to their homeland and share their culture with others. Nigerian restaurants and food businesses are thriving worldwide, introducing the world to the unique and delicious flavors of Nigerian cuisine. Food has the power to transcend borders, bridge cultures, and foster understanding and appreciation between people from different backgrounds. Sharing a meal is a universal language, and Nigerian cuisine, with its rich history, diverse flavors, and cultural significance, has much to offer the world. Section 9. Join the feast, experience Nigerian food for yourself. From the bustling streets of Lagos to the heart of Nigerian homes, food is an integral part of the country's vibrant culture. Whether you're a seasoned food enthusiast or simply curious to explore new culinary horizons, Nigerian cuisine offers a world of flavor waiting to be discovered. So why not embark on your own Nigerian food adventure? Explore the diverse dishes, savor the tantalizing aromas, and experience the warmth and generosity of Nigerian hospitality. You might just discover your new favorite food, or better yet, a newfound appreciation for the power of food to connect us all. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed our culinary journey through Nigeria. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting food adventures from around the world. Until next time, happy eating!